Now, does that mean they got to buy it, or that means they got to liquidate the fund? It's a big to do.
God, goals just got kaboom.
Let's go, baby. Get in here. Let's get this game going. You playing the song? On the silver. What's up, everybody? Hello, everybody. I'm Steve Kalayjian. Welcome to the Asia session sponsored by My Funded Futures, and I'm hosting it here. Everybody, remember, here is the link. We're going to do 10 raffles tonight at 9:50. Please make sure the names that you put in are eligible because I'm going to be 63 and I can't pronounce half the stuff you guys are writing. Anyway, how are you, TG? TG1, R&R, Bear Trader, Jaybirds, Corp Trades. Let's go, everybody. If anybody new here, Edra, how are you, Edra?
Charts.
What, charts?
Yeah, I'm helping him get his overlay going.
Oh, okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. What a day in gold and silver. Silver was up almost 7% here. S&P's got kabooshed here. We're negative on the time frames. We're deeply oversold on the 30 and 60-minute time. I think this NASDAQ could probably be bought here on the NASDAQ. If the NASDAQ gets down to like the 50, 70 range, I look to be a buyer here. Good evening, Rain 8778. Good morning. Good evening, everybody. How are you? Good evening, everybody. Chicken Trader, let's do it. Gold caboose there on a double red short. Gold just dropped a bunch here. Okay. All right. Silver was wild. Unbelievable. Hey, Alex. Lisa O, how are you? Andre, how was everything, Andre? All right. So silver is reversed to sell on the 30 and the 15-minute time frame. Gold, I knew this gold was going to drop. This gold was up there. How are you, Steve? Are we sell disconnect? Yes, we're in sell disconnect. Right? Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. We got to get 500 to 1,000 people up here. Let's go, everybody. Come on. Now, this is a double red short on the gold here. This is a double red short on the gold here. I'm going to show you this here. You can see gold futures here. Okay? Guys, you got to go slow. You got to be, I'm streaming. Okay? All right, you got to, okay, gold reverse to sell. This is what's called a double red short right here. The 5 correlating with the 15 and 30. Gold just got caboose $10 there. How's everybody doing tonight? Okay, I'll show you a really great pattern off the 15-minute time frame today right here. The 15s reverse to sell. You get the overbought condition into the negative MACD. The MACDs were negative on the 15, the 30, and the 60, and great shorts there. All right. Okay, let's see here. Now S&Ps, if they push down to the 97.5, 02.5, you're deeply oversold here. Gold just dropped 10. Silver, there's something coming out. The SEC is inquiring about 300 million ounces of silver missing. That's pretty messed up there. Okay, this silver just got up to 25. Wow, silver just dropped 60 cents like water here. Hello, Trades by Nao. How are you? Hello, everybody. JP Morgan reports tomorrow. I wonder if they will discuss the silver situation. You think? Silver just dropped 60. Chicken Trader, how are you? Let's go, everybody. David T, Silver K, Minita, JL Trading, how are you? All right. Let's see here. All right. What's up, everybody? All right. Wow. Long day. Monday. I'm already exhausted. You know that? Dump the silver so they can buy it back. Exactly. Right? Exactly. Hey, Pitora, how are you? Hey, guys, let's go. JL, let's do this tonight. Let's wait for the right patterns here. All right. Gold's down 21. Gold silver extended. I can't even begin to tell you. What a short up there. All right. And again, this is another double red short here. The 5 relaying. You see that, wow, this is a pencil down. You short the next bounce right here. 45 on silver. Kabooshed. Right here, right before. When you get a pencil move down like this, you short the next 1 to 2 bars right here. Hey, Melvin, how are you? Danny Trade. Danny Dan, how are you? Hey, ML. Anybody new here today, put a 1. Anybody new, put a 1, please. Please, please, please. Anybody 1? Anybody here with it, put a 1? New to your stream. Hey, David. Wow. David's looking for a guide. Oh, my God. Great day, everybody. Oh, yeah. Today, billing. If you're new, please text me 914-500-7484. I will send you a 5-day free trial. Anybody, Oliver, Lock-in, anybody new, I will send you a 5-day free trial if you want to text me. Miami, there you go, the best. Okay, there goes the gold right back up here. All right, let's see what silver's doing here. 57 to 88 on silver. Silver is an animal, okay? Oscar, my name is Jeff. Jeff, please text me 914-500-7484. All right, new to the stream, Romans. Again, if you're new, text me 914-500-7484. My Funded Futures is the best prop firm out there by far. Okay, Luke, Matt, the team, okay, everybody is phenomenal here. Phenomenal. All right, a little quiet here tonight. Great days, though. Let me show you some big sell divergences today off the 5-minute time frame. And when you're looking at the 5-minute time frame and you're getting monster moves here like this, okay, 85. You have to look at the underlying ETF, the SLVs, monster shorts here off the SLVs. You can see here you're making new highs, and the MACDs cannot confirm the high here. This was an absolute Picasso here. Silver just rallied 30 cents. So again, let's just take a nice okay, Jeffrey, if you're new, Oscar Rivas is my name is Jeff, then why is your name Oscar? Okay, so anyway, with that being said, there goes the silver on the 5-minute here. Just pushed down to new lows, non-confirmation here, 57. All right, there goes the gold, just rallied again on the new low, non-confirmations. Let's see what's going to happen here. This silver gets up to the 84.08 to 38. You got to go wide. Gold. If this gold gets up to the 01 to 06, I would take a short on the gold there. What's happening, fam? Not much here. Silver just rallied here and just got up to, let's see if this thing can get a short. There goes the gold pushing up. Not so you when you push down here, you had the non-confirmations. I was in the midst of discussing. Oh my God, just got kabooshed. Oh my goodness gracious. Did gold hit 01?
Yeah, 01.
Oh, covered a short on the gold. Just dropped 3. Good Lord. That's a nice short on the gold. Anybody short the gold there? Good job. Why are you getting kabooshed? Why? I didn't do anything. Nick LaSalle. Nick, when are you going to come visit me? Oh, man, we had the perfect short on silver. I said 08 to 38. Look at this high. 07, missed it by a penny, dropped 20. Damn it. Damn it. So this is called a double red short. The 5 correlating with the 15 to 30 minute and the sell disconnect. How'd you get the silver short? What'd I say on the silver? 08. You front ran me. Anybody get the gold short? Nick LaSalle, you killed it today. God bless you, Nick. When are you going to come visit me, Nick? You keep telling me for a year. So when the yellow line is over the blue, is that confirming? No. This is, oh yeah, so let me show you, okay, I'm going to show you guys everything here this morning. So when the market gapped down, I said buy the world. I'm a scalper. Yes, I'm also a pattern trader, okay? So, and I'll show you what I mean. Do you see this here? Tell me on the new low, okay? What's up? Hey, Gabriel, how are you? KM? Anybody new, please text me, 914-500-7484. Do you see this here? When you made the new low? Did the MACDs make a new low? The price made a new low, but the MACDs did not confirm. I said buy the world. Same thing. Look at Tesla. Same type of pattern. These patterns repeat themselves. Tesla, new low on the MACDs did not confirm. Okay? Look at PLTR. Same names. Right? Palantir. PLTR. Look, I'd short some gold here. 04.5 to 9.5. Look at Palantir. Gaps down. Non-confirmation. Microsoft. Same thing. Okay? Right? Silva. I short some silver, 26 up to 56. Look at Silva. Look at here, Microsoft pushes down to new lows. The MACDs cannot confirm. So when you see patterns like this, okay? Hey, Cleese, how are you? When you see patterns like this, these patterns are absolutely Picassos, okay? Absolute Picassos, okay? Let me put it to that way, all right? All right, the silver got up to 30. Just scalp it below 24 if you're short. All right, let's see the gold pushing up here. All right, now you can see silver, okay, is still bullish on the 60, but you still have a sell disconnect. This is deemed a double red short. Okay, Jay Skine, you got silver. What happened to copper? Just now, copper on the Great Long. Okay, wow, what a move on copper. Good Lord, what's the 30-minute doing? Cover some gold below 03.5. Yeah, copper, beautiful. Well, that's what I want you guys. Hey, listen, for me, it's about one thing, all of you being successful. I don't care about another, I don't care about a damn thing. Okay? Look at the silver drop, Jeffrey. Who shorted the gold? Gold down too. Silver down. Silver just dropped 16 on the double red short. Okay, and that's why you got to go wide when you're trading the micros, right? Anybody see that right there? You got to trade wide on the micros, period, right? You got to trade wide. All right, right back up. Who got the silver short? Gold is going up. I see it. I called a short on the scalp. I'm first again. Okay. Remember, guys have to sign up. You guys have to sign up. Okay. You guys have to sign up. Okay. If you guys want to get access to the raffle, and please, I'm begging you, give me names that I can read. Please, for the love of God. Okay. Okay. All right. Anybody short that silver? Man, oh man, this silver is so overextended. Hey, Just Blues. All right. Again, if you're short this gold, oh my God, silver just dropped 20. Gold just dropped 4. You short the gold?
Yep.
All right, good. You short the gold?
No. I'm trying.
What?
I'm getting overlays.
The overlays you could do after the market, right? We're trading now. You have the gold and everything in front of you, right?
Mm-hmm.
You try to take advantage of the time we're here. I'm trying to encourage you, right? Who's Oliver? Oh, anybody new? Please text me 914-500-7484. All right. Oliver just texted me. You have to sign up here. Then he posted the links earlier. You have to sign up here if you want to be part of the raffle. Okay? Are the night drawings going to be done any differently? I'm doing it my way, Izzy Lizzie. I'm doing it my way. I did it my way. Regrets, I have a few. Read my name, Mystic Rick Trading. How are you? Mystic Rick Trading. All right. All right. Again, too few to mention. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, Oliver. All right, if you're short this gold, I'd cover below 02.5 here. S&Ps, I'd be a buyer here. 97.5 to even and a half. NASDAQ, I said 50 to 75 range on the long. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. What a short on this silver right here on the double red. 30 down to like 10. Beautiful. Look at the gold drop. This gold's going to drop. Wow, look at the short on the gold. Damn. Damn. Look at that short. Crypto King, get in there. Gold's down 7. Silver's down 27. You know, I said it once before, and I'm very blessed and honored. But, you know, somebody called me up over the weekend, and a bunch of people. Thank you, MV Pickney, right? Where's my bull and bear sound? I can't get my bull and bear sound to work. Oh my God. Silver down 34, gold down 8. How'd that work now? Is that kabooshed? I gotta get you guys some t-shirts when we go home. Hi, Bobo. Had me worried today. Oh my God! Look, gold's down $10. Look at that silver. Pro Trader, what's going on, Pro Trader? Kabooshed. Damn. That's a kabooshin. That's a kabooshin. It's Christmas in January. Doesn't really sound right, though, but you got to say it. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. There you go, Pro Trader. Hey, Zill from Finland, my good buddy. You got to come and Get out of the cold and come to Jupiter, Florida. It was 80 degrees here today. Zen, my buddy. How are you? All right. Everybody, welcome Romans. So I want to talk to you about something, and good job, Happy Kids, 400. All right, and most of all, the most important thing is that we're here to help each other learn. That's what's really it's all about, right? Oscar Reeves, if your name is Jeff, can you just change your name to Jeff and not confuse me? My brain hurts. Marshall Eyes, how are you, Marshall Eyes? SKSHIW. Peekaboo Steven, I see you. Hey, Ethan. Biggie, 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 can't you see? What a short. Jeffrey, you get short to gold. James Robertson, you get short to gold. Now we get the big CPI number coming out tomorrow. Hey, Chavez Bar, how are you? Long. I got to look into if the commodities are doing rebalancing. Okay, Nasdaq should get another push up here. Nasdaq, you could look to sell 77 up to 84. S&P's 03 up to 04.5. Theo, capacity eval, great job. Great job. Great job. Let's see what's going to happen here. Oscar M, how are you, Oscar? From Brazil, Jefferson. Anybody who's new, please text me. I will send you a 5-day free trial. Also, you have until 9 o'clock to sign up in the My Fund the Futures YouTube channel here to sign up to get the for the drawing. So please sign up. Okay? The truth, not hate speech. Hello, how are you, my brother? Bear Trader, what's going on? Well, a couple of nice patterns in silver. The long couple, one short, two shorts in gold. Hey, Alex, how are you? Alexev. So if you see silver with the MACDs negative above the pivot on the 15, 30, and 60, and then you get an overbought condition on the 15 using my software, this is a monster bear flag. Right around 345, 245. You see this? See that?
Yep.
Gold long, I wouldn't buy gold, no. Okay? Andrew, what's going on? Andrew Watkin. Let's go. All right. There goes the gold. There goes the NASDAQ. The reason why he dropped 100 points at the end of the day is the following reason. Okay? Number one, You had a monster overbought condition in 97, 98 on the 60 and 30-minute time frame. Number two, the 5-minute time frames were making new highs. Okay, and the MACDs could not confirm. So if you take your horizontal line right here, you had sell divergences. I called this short on the NASDAQ. Okay, is this it? Yeah, 305. Hey, Barbaretto, how are you? Silver's expensive. You're not eating it, right? You're trading it. Big difference. Okay. So now I called the long on the Nasdaq and S&P. We're deeply oversold. You're making new lows in the Asia session, non-confirmation. MACDs are still positive on the 15. Okay, the 30 is negative. So any push up on Nasdaq is going to make a lower high. Now, again, I say this to you, okay, because you do have a CPI number coming out tomorrow. You have a CPI number coming out tomorrow. So what you need to focus on, okay, all right, okay. What's up, Mr. Freeze? Call me the breeze. Every time I see Mr. Freeze's name, I think of Call Me the Breeze. Why would you want a crypto night? Why would you want to plan? Why would you want to do a trade when you have the CPI number coming out tomorrow and you know gold's going to be affected by it? Makes no sense to me, right? Whoever said to buy gold just dropped $4 just now. Okay. Hey, Mr. Freeze. How are you, brother? So this silver could be a big problem here with the SLVs here, just to let you know here. I just keep taking the silver down. Silver just ran 40 cents like nothing here. All right. Hey, Sofa, Knight from Brazil, how are you? I mean, you got the CPI number coming out tomorrow. Why would you want to put yourself through that, right? Why would you want to put yourself? I made your wife laugh? Call me the freeze. I keep freezing down the road. Do, 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 do. You need to focus on the CPI number coming out tomorrow, right? So why would you want to trade and hold the position overnight into the CPI number at 8:30? Silver short isn't working. I called a short. What are you talking about? It's not working. I called a short here and here. What are you talking about? Well, unless you're short lower. First of all, how are you going to be short silver when the underlying ETFs are still very bullish? The SLVs 75.89 need to reverse just under 30. Last sale 77, 76.27. So you got about 50 cents tomorrow on silver. But you got the CPI number coming out tomorrow, right? You run away from CPI? No, you never run away. You never be fearful to trade the markets, period, right? Well, that's gambling. I'd rather know within 3 minutes of a spin, red or black. Okay? Right, Pro Trader? You're too smart for that, Pro Trader. Come on. Really. All right. So what do we got here? I think silver's gonna if silver takes out this number right here, 83.71 on a 60, then you short every bounce and I say look out below. Right? Right? Look out below. Call me the freeze. What? We should have kicked him out. I said 04, 03 to 04.5. What do you mean, all right? You didn't hear me say it?
No.
You're sitting 4 feet away from me, right? I'm trying to encourage you. I did say look to exit longs. There goes the gold making new lows here. The guy who bought gold at 04.5, he jumped. Okay, he jumped. The guy who bought gold at 04.5, he just jumped. All right, but let's just see what happens here. If this gold gets down to the 84.5, 89.5, I'd probably take a scalp long on the non-confirmation here. Silver's not making a new low. Gold, the MACDs are still above. Would not make a new low if gold makes new on the 5-minute. Gold looks weaker than silver. I don't know. Silver's down 1.3%. Gold's down 0.5%. All right. All right. Can somebody keep me up on the Steeler game? Steeler, who is it? Titans? Tennessee Titans?
Texas.
Or Texans? I always get those two teams mixed up. Mm-hmm. The Tennessee Titans?
Yeah.
Leonardo, I think you want to always start trouble with me, Leonardo. If you heard me say look to get long 97.5 to 02.5, when it pushed down, then I said look to exit longs between 03 and 04.5. So I don't know if you're listening, Leonardo, if you always want to just start with me, but you're seconds away from just like being banned. Because all you do is just want to start with me and you don't know what you're talking about. I'm sorry. Okay? If you're not going to listen, be truthful in your words. Okay? You said S&Ps. I said I take a scalp long, 97.5 to 02.5. And then I said if it pushes up, look to exit longs 03.5, 04.5. That's what I said. If you don't hear me, then don't open your mouth. Period. Right? That's how I say it. Period. No, I said, Greg, I did say look to exit longs 03.5 to 04.5. Okay. Gold, look to exit any longs here above 88 on the scalp long on gold if you bought it. CPI, I think it'd be a good number. Well, I mean, you gotta the number one thing if you're gonna take a position, crypto, right? Crypto miner, crypto night, you gotta know what's coming out in advance, right? Okay. You gotta know what's coming out in advance. You can't you can't not know what's coming out. You know, if you're gonna take a position in something, okay, you're short?
No long.
Where?
I was long.
So you get above 88, like to exit longs. All right, on this gold, if this gold gets down to the 79.5, 85.5 range, I look to scalp the long on the gold. Silver getting cabooshed. Still fun. So, Mr. Leonardo, did you get short the silver? Did you get short the gold? Or are you just going to talk about the S&Ps that haven't moved more than $1.50 too since we've been here? Okay, this is why this guy and I love to have a Zoom with this guy one-on-one. Really. Really. Just to talk things out. Okay? Yes, you want volatility. Okay, right? ICT and GL. I don't back away from anybody. Listen, I'm the first one. If I'm wrong, boom, no problem. Okay, always another trade or anything. Binka, 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 bink, whatever. You made 370. Look at that, Pierre Joseph. Good job. If you're long the gold here now, look to sell 87 up to 89 range if you're long. Yeah. Okay, now this silver, it's got down to 51. All right, just look at silver around 50. Where's gold going? Down. That's where it's okay. I think silver.
20 long.
You're long gold. Where?
No, got out.
Oh, how much up?
27.
270
No, just.
on the. Okay, better than what you would before, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Before you do that.
Right now, gold is pushing up. I would raise your stops if you're long gold, or look to sell anywhere between. You're down 100. No idea what you're doing. There goes the gold right back up to 89. I would be exiting longs. Bobby, why? Bobby, these are patterns, Bobby, that I called. Okay? I'm glad you're up 4,500, but this was a silver short on the double red, and that was a gold short. Okay? I don't understand what you mean by I'm not proud of that impulsive move. To me, where it was a set strategy, the 5 correlated with the 15-minute right here and the 30-minute. Okay, so you're in a sell disconnect, and this is what's called the double red short. Okay. Okay. Can we expect? Hey, crypto. I'd be exiting all longs on gold. Silver just ran 20 cents. Jesus. All right. Again, making new lows to non-confirmations here on the 5. Jumped on this short on your call, but way too heavy on size. Could have gone. Oh, yeah. Well, you got to, yeah. Okay. Well, that was a set pattern. Okay. What's that noise behind me?
I got the game.
No, you can't do that. Come on. What is it? This is not romper room. Okay. Come on. Are you crazy? I'm hearing this noise in the back of my head. I thought I was dreaming. Come on. This ain't romper room. I'm trying. Huh?
You said somebody let you.
I didn't say put the game on. Okay. I didn't say put the game on. I called the long and gold already. Okay. How? From 43 years of experience. Okay. But Leonardo, I'm not going to get into it. Oh my God. Look at the silver. I took my eye off it for the gold. The new low, 51. Look at this. Oh my God. 40 cents. I said on the 60-minute silver right here, James, if silver takes out on a closing basis 83.61, the 60 will reverse to sell, and you should get into a negative trend on all 3 time frames. Look at the gold go. Okay? Look at the gold go. Any words from Leonardo on silver or gold? Of course not. Okay. Silver and gold, silver and gold. All right. Wow, look at the silver pop up here. Gold just rallied 6-7 off the low. You only trade S&P? Okay. Shorting gold in the 95 area? I don't know. We'll see. I want to see if these 15s get a little bit overbought. Wow, what a long on silver. 50 cents. Gold just ran $7, $8. Okay. All right. Oh, let's see here. It appears delayed. I'm not delayed. Okay. Pro trader, be careful being short. 619 short on silver. It's got as high as 05. So the gold long was basically because the 5-minute and the silver long right here, which I didn't call, I was about to. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. No. Was all because the 5-minute MACDs did not confirm the lows. Nasdaq's getting kabooshed. Okay. Nasdaq just dropped 25. 3-0 Steelers. Thank you. Isaac, good job if you shorted the gold at 95, Isaac. All right, 04 on silver. Great job, Pro Trader. Raphael, just text me, 914-500-7484. Silver short was easy. I know I should have shorted silver 04. Gold just hit 95, dropped 3. Momo, what do you mean, ouch? Nasdaq's down 108 here. This Nasdaq is deeply oversold here. You could look to buy Nasdaq 26.5 to 46.5. One way, ouch. Gold just dropped 3. Silver just dropped 17. I think you're gonna get right now. You have, just to give you an example on gold on the Nasdaq, you have a 160 oversold reading on the 60, a 288 oversold reading on the 30. I think Nasdaq should get a push up here. That's what I think. Nasdaq should get a push up here. David, thank you for posting that, David. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ay. S&Ps, 94.5, 99.5 range. I look to be a buyer. Nasdaq should get a push up. Just ran 5.6. Almost a TP on now. What's the TP mean? Buys or sells on CPI tomorrow. No idea. No idea, really, to be honest with you. If it's anybody new here, text me a 1. Text 1 here. Let's see if anybody new here. Oh, wow. Look at this gold. Jeez. S&Ps just ran 1. NASDAQ just ran 7. All right. And look at that gold drop. Damn it. All right. Hope you guys exited the longs on the gold. Silver had the identical same pattern. You made the new low here, and the MACDs could not confirm the low, right? On the 5. Oh, take profit? Okay. Thank you. This is gold and silver. Get another push up. F Collections, how are you? This silver could be in problem. Larry Libling, thank you, Larry. Nice to meet you, Larry. Nice to meet you, brother. All right. So, again, gold pushed down to new lows, non-confirmation. 80, what did it get down to? 84 and a half or something like that, 85 and a half, and then rallied 8, 9. Silver right here, 51 up to, just ran, silver runs 50 cents out of clip. Not a joke. I'm telling you now, the silver is crazy. Yes, the truth not, please just text me your full name and email, and I'll send you over a 5-day free trial. S&P's pushing up. NASDAQ just ran 8. You just raise your stops if you bought them. You just raise your stops here. This silver is going to get, silver just dropped 20 cents here. Recoy, how are you? I use always limit orders. Always. All limit orders. Oh, look at this silver drop 20. Gold, oh, come on. Gold just dropped 6.
Yeah.
S&P's up 2. NASDAQ just short?
I covered.
Good. I don't think so. I don't look at it like that, Kosh. Okay? I don't look at it like that. Okay? I don't really look at it like that. Hey, Thomas. How are you? Double bottom. Interesting. Double bottom on what? Who do you think is going to win the Super Bowl this year? It ain't the Bills.
Pete.
I think the Seahawks might do it.
Yeah, the Seahawks look really.
Nav trades, yes, I do. You could text me at 914-500-7484. S&P's just rallied 2. NASDAQ just ran 7, 8. Kabooshed! You forgot the ED. Nava trades, if you want, text me 914-5. There goes the S&Ps. There they go. There they go. Patriots? I don't know about that. There goes the NASDAQ. I think Seattle's going to win. Thank you, Daniel Goalie. Thank you. God bless you for those words. Thank you. Raphael Trades just texted me. I don't see that. Oh, I just got you. Okay. Thank you very much for the look. There goes the S&Ps. There goes Christina. Where's Leonardo? Whatever his name is. Did you get the long? Or is he short on the bottom? S&P's up 5. NASDAQ just ran 20. I told you the deep oversold condition, you're going to get the pop. Kaboom! Where's the bull? The bookies win always, the bills. Oh my God, what a rally. S&P's up 5. NASDAQ just ran 20 like nothing. Tommy Tom, I would exit longs, Tommy Tom. You took profits in the EMA on the 20. So you were short, but you didn't go long. Okay. Okay. Insane NASDAQ, Momo. Momo, you get the long? Right, Momo? Tough collections. And you guys should be joining my live stream. Oh my God almighty, look at the S&Ps go. NASDAQ just ran 30. Kaboom! NASDAQ. You just watched the NASDAQ and you didn't take the long? I just told you had a 1 oversold condition on the 30 and 60-minute time frame. All right, we're doing the raffles in exactly an hour. So I'm begging you have 8 minutes to register. Okay? True 6668, you're welcome. All right. Wow, that came out of left field. Nava Trades, you can text me 914-500-7484. Remember, in 1 hour, we're going to do 10 giveaways, but you have 7 minutes to register. Man, oh man. And here's the other thing I want to show you, okay? Okay? If you look at the NASDAQ futures and S&P futures, again, when you're making new lows here, the MACDs cannot confirm the low. So not only did you have a buy divergence, right? A buy non-confirmation, okay? See, Leonardo, whatever your name is. See, I hope you come back. You made $450, Leonardo. Or now, oh, you're only down now negative 150. That's a shame. You should have bought the boatload. You had 2 patterns here. One, you had the non-confirmation. Well, really one. You had a non-confirmation new low, right? Right? Okay. The MACDs couldn't confirm the low, and then you had on the 30 and 60-minute time frame a deep oversold condition. Look at the S&Ps just ran 9. NASDAQ just ran 40. You rarely see that in the Asia session, right? Guys, everybody? HDub684, if you're new, you can text me. I'll send you a 5-day free trial. Yeah, so Larry, what I'm explaining is, let's say, for example, you're trading in an account in the morning and you hit your goal on that account, right? And then what happened to silver? It just got kabooshed. Hold on. Let me go over this. Oh, yeah, it just got oh, my God, silver again. I said 04. Jesus, I said the 04 level. Why do I take the silver down, Lotharoo? So, Larry, what I'm explaining is the following, right? Let's say you have a trading account and your goal is 300 to 500 in a day, and you hit your goal on that account. The next thing you should do is go to another account and hit the goal on that one. and then have an account for the afternoon, and have an account for Asia for our session here now. That's what I said. And then if you're good enough after like 4 or 5 weeks, then what you do is you do linked accounts. Does that make sense? I can't believe this freaking silver. I said 04 before, and the high is 04.5. Who's that? Yeah, it's for day trading. What are you saying? 4 hour uptrend and what? Gold, silver, S&Ps, Nasdaq, what? All right, Jay Blaze. But all right. And if you're new and you want a 5-day free trial, just text me. I still think the silver is going to get one more push up. So many, my phone's blowing up with people that want the 5-day free trial. All right, should have shorted them up there too. All right, Nasdaq just dropped about 6. S&P's just dropped about 2.5. There goes the silver. There goes the silver right back up. Silver. And everybody, you should go to my SK Trading YouTube. Please subscribe. And also, I have a podcast called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. All right? The Ugly. Please drop 1,000 points on the NASDAQ tomorrow. See, the one good thing about the Asia session is with these prop firms is they don't calculate margin. Like somebody told me tonight that I think Schwab, I believe he said $18,000 or $33,000. They upgraded the margin for tonight. I mean, come on, man. Picking up a bull flag on what? On S&Ps? Be careful wanting to short the NASDAQ. I go a little higher because the 15, this will be the first bounce on the 15 after. But the 30 and 60s are still deeply oversold. So yeah, I would wait. Oh my God, look at the silver. Silver's a beast. How could a silver rally like this? 30 cents. Thinkorswim, I tell you right now, is very expensive on the, yeah, 13K for Michael 6. Oh my God, Steven, 13. That's right. Steven just told me this. 13,000 for a silver micro, 65,000 for big. Get the heck out of here. No way. Ninja silver intraday for a micro is 1,000. That's damn good. $41,000 for gold. What are you guys doing there? Raphael Trades, you should use my charting to help you, my methodology. 5-minute candle. I don't look at Jay. Just Blaze. Do I see candles here? I don't see candles here. Silver what? Just got kabooshed.
Yes, sir.
Charles Schwab Gold. That's wonderful. What's Trade Stations? I'm just curious. Anybody use Trade Station? Thinkorswim? Forget it. Mr. Freeze, you get that long? Mr. Freeze? I love Trade Station. I have to tell you, I know Rick really well, but he sold his company Tradeovate. But I like Tradeovate too, to be honest with you. I knew Rob Smith. He passed away. Is it giveaway time? No. All right, that's it. Closed. Absolutely closed right now for the raffle. So I don't want to hear it. You had your chance. You had a whole hour to sign up for the raffle. So many people blowing up my phones here. All right. Anyone short the NASDAQ? Silver is going to go. I wanted to buy the silver here. Silver just rallied 20 cents here again. No chatting. I'm only kidding. $50 buy NASDAQ. I called along on the NASDAQ. I don't know, about 50. I think it was about 45. We have gold. Let me see. Gold only got down to 86.5. Silver just rallied 30 cents. What happened? A what?
Bull flag on here.
That's not a bull flag.
Okay.
Yeah, a good bull flag. If I don't want to take silver down though. If the silver, the ADX is rising here, so. No, I like NASDAQ as a short soon because NASDAQ will get overbought into the negative MACD on the 15s, and this would be the first bounce on the 15 after the 30 reverse to sell. So this would be a set strategy for shorts. Why do I use ranges? What am I supposed to do? Single lot entry? You're 21 years old? God bless you. I wish I was 21 with the knowledge I have. So let me ask you a question, ISO. How do you execute? Just throw an order in and a single lot entry and watch the NASDAQ go 20, 25 against you? I don't understand it. Okay? I don't understand it. Okay, I just don't get it. I just don't get it. And again, if any, yeah, the S&Ps will be a short. Hopefully, it got up to 08 and a quarter. Wow, look at gold rally. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. $85 just ran 7. Damn it. Oh, 8. Damn it. 9. Damn it. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes the words just hypnotize me. It's over 40 cents up. I don't use candles. Why does everybody obsessed about me using candles? I don't understand. Not one professional, okay, that I know in my era uses candles. And I know the biggest guys in the world. Okay? Why would they don't use candles? Retail traders use candles. Okay? So mad at myself. All right, I was hoping for silver to make a new low and then buy it. Yeah, you can. That's fine. You can. He's asking me why I don't like candles. Good job, Hitman. AI books God of AI Brooks God of I don't know what that means. All right. Ay, ay, ay. If this silver gets up to the, I would say the 15 to 45 range, I'd short it. Gold just rallied here, 9. If this gold. Where am I looking to short the NASDAQ? Probably the NASDAQ, if it gets up to the 95 to 25 range on the NASDAQ. Because the 15s are getting overbought there. Okay. See if this gold can get a push up here. Gold, probably if it gets up to the 90, 95.80 up to 0180. Here we go. Oh my God. S&Ps, I'd short them here. Let's see here. 08 and 08 and 3/4 up to like 13 and 3/4. Over here. Just boom. Right? Job. All right, good job. Gold, there goes S&Ps. All right. See the non-confirmations there. All right. See if this gold can drop one more time here. Silver. That's why I said. That's why I said you really need to. You really need to. You really need to. What do you call it? Yeah, silver was a great long down here, but now I think it's going to drop here. All right. You're getting overbought into these negative MACDs on the 30. So you could probably look to cover anywhere between the 28 and 44 range on silver. Here we go. Gold, you could look to cover gold 95 to 97.5. NASDAQ, look to cover below 88. S&Ps, look to cover between 05 and 07.5 range. There goes the silver dropping. I think look at this S&Ps drop, look at the silver drop. Okay, NASDAQ, S&Ps. Okay, you see that? You're long and you forgot about what? Look at look at silver drop. I'll be covering shorts here. Silver. Wow, good job, Mr. Freeze. Get in there, gold, silver. Hey, Commander Roberto, how are you? You're welcome. That's a great short on silver. I got to tell you, I'm so happy that all of you are trading the metal markets. Really. Okay? Alex and Lisa, if you're new, please text me. The short range, I gave the short range. I said 95 on NASDAQ, 25,985 to 26,025. I went 30. Wow. Look at that, up 3,000 trading the gold and silver. I'm so happy that you guys are really have listened to me over the last several months to be able to. Are you short? You good?
Sure.
Okay. To be able to learn how to trade the metals. Okay. All right. Seven three. Anybody new here wants a 5-day free trial? I think it's a really great time to trade down, if you ask me. And I want to tell you, my Fund of Futures is a great firm, you guys. You really, really, really have to understand what they do here. They do 10 raffles here, right? Okay. What? You called a non-confirmation on what? S&Ps? What is 2005? I'm losing my mind here. My Fund of Futures is the best, okay? Trade mindset. There goes the gold dropping. Look at the silver drop. Oh my God, the silver is going to get kabooshed. If they appear delayed, that means what number? 914-500-7484. Okay? Oh, the times. You're killing me, Little Ro. Okay? Gold just got caboose. Silver just silver. Here we go. Boom. Right here. Look at the silver. 50 cents. 30 cents silver. Gold just dropped 5. You go micros. Good job, R&R. No, the stop. No, the range on silver was what I say, 26 to 56. The stop would have been 66. Right? Okay? Look at this. Who's short? Gold just dropped $6. You see that? Good Lord. Silver just dropped 40 cents. Wow. Anybody still short? I'd be covered. I would have covered short. I cover shorts right here. Anybody want a 5-day free trial? Just text me 914-500-7484 to my live stream. All right. Gonna have to buy the silver soon on the next pullback. Remember, you have to be here if you want to win. You have to be here if you want to win. Okay? Hello, teacher. How are you? Hope you guys signed up. 9 o'clock was the cutoff for the raffles. All right, we got about 35. We got about 40 minutes to go. Please let you win. I can't fix the game. All right. Let's see what we're gonna do here. All right, what's gonna happen here? All right. this silver gets oversold, you're gonna have to take. We'd have to take a long based upon this condition here. Based upon this condition, it's a little. Silver just reversed selling the 60. By the way, silver's in trouble now. Forget it. Every rally should be shorted on overbought conditions. All right, got it. I see it now. All right. You're still negative 300? You're still negative 300. On that short on gold and silver? Look at gold. Are you short the gold? Are you short?
I was, yeah.
How much you up now? You were up 70 before.
No.
I heard you say 70. Silver just got kabooshed. Soon. All right, if this silver gets down here, silver gets down to the, I'd say the 90 to probably, you got to get long silver. If silver gets down to the 83.80 to 84.10, I'd take well, let's just wait. I'd probably go like 83.75 to 84.05 on silver on the long. This 15-minute time, NASDAQ again, I would short 25,895 to 26,000. 25 S&Ps, I'd short 08.5 up to 13.5. These 15s are going to roll over here. How is everybody? Okay. All right, there goes the gold dropping, S&P's dropping, NASDAQ. Hope you guys short the NASDAQ up there. These 15s are going to get kabooshed. Okay. There you go, Mr. Freeze. Wait till these 15s roll. Look, Mr. Freeze. Look here. Look at the NASDAQ. Once these 15s roll over, boom, it's over. Right there. Okay. Gold? I called a short in the gold already. What are you talking about? Gold should fly? How about short silver now? No. No. I'm calling a long in silver. Off this pattern. Just got down to 13 on this little buy divergence. Right? S&P's just dropped 3 here. NASDAQ just dropped 15, Mr. Freeze. Get in there, Mr. Freeze. What a short on this NASDAQ. S&P's just dropped 2.5, 3. There you go. On what?
S&Ps. 13.
It got up there already. You did. You.
Get, oh, wait.
I cancel it then. Leonardo, you should be in the black or green or whatever you want to call it. Mr. Freeze, I would lower your stops. Gold just dropped 7. Silver should get one more push up here. Oh, God. Damn. Ugh. Gotta drink 100 ounces of water a day. How would you not get short the S&Ps? It was trading 09s.
Oh, 850. I never.
I thought I was at my.
Yes, I scalp. Gold's gonna go another push up here. All right. Where I look to rebuy gold? Oh, a lot lower. Not here. No way. Man, oh man. On silver, get a pullback here. And now it really died here. All right, we got the raffle in roughly about 30 minutes here. We're going to do 10 giveaways. And please give me names I can say, okay? Please give me names I can say. All right? All right, I would cancel the buy in the silver. Got down to 13. All right. My phone's blowing up with so many people. Oh my God, there goes the silver on this pattern. Told you gonna get another push up. All right. Nest Home Build is my name. Nice to meet you. No, it's a 10 bar weighted. Oh my God, silver just rallied 22. No, it's a 10 bar weighted, but I don't look at you don't it's not it's an art. You don't say I'm gonna buy the pullback into the EMA. You don't do that. I'm not starting the raffle now. No, 950. Okay? 950. 950. So many people blowing up my phone here. Again, if you want a 5-day free trial, just text me 914-500-7484. And if 45.90, I would have been out. You're in a negative. You're in a sell disconnect on gold. Rough Gabriel trades. Yes, I called a short in the Nasdaq. Wait till these 15s roll over in Nasdaq. Yes, Barn Chips. Barn Chips, if you're new, you could gotcha. It's more of an art to scale and yes, absolutely. It's an art, not a science. And you gotta be loosey goosey, right? I try to encourage people that let trading be fun, right? Let trading be to the point that you're not so tight and like you're fearful of every move. Okay? I don't use a 10 tick chart. All right. 15-minute NASDAQ. Once this rolls over, look out. Oof. Look out. PE and lunchroom. That's pretty funny. Everybody welcome Samir. Everybody welcome HDub684. All right, come on, silver drop. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you. Right. Come on, man. Everything just died here. Silver and Nasdaq might get one more push up. 7-6 Texans. Come on, 2 field goals by the Steelers. Where's your offense, Aaron Rodgers? Let's go. Where's your offense? Let's go. Offense.
Number one.
Who is?
The Texans.
Really?
Yeah, I'm telling you.
They're that good?
They took me to the Super Bowl on both my.
There goes the gold drop in here. What?
On the NQs,
They're gonna roll over. Look out. Look out below. Look out below. All right, Silver. There was a long on the silver right there. Oh my God, silver. Oh my God. 05 on the silver. If this silver gets down to the 75 to 0, oh my God almighty. How does that happen? Good Lord. 25 on the silver like that. Whoa. Man, oh man. Wow. Look at that. 10, 25 on the silver. Jesus Christ. All right, I cancel the silver. That's it. NASDAQ just dropped 20 off the highs. So these 15s are going to get kabooshed here. Wow. Damn. Silver just exploded. I told you this pattern on the silver. Damn it. Damn it. Wow. I don't know. You tell me. If you bought silver at 05 and in 40 seconds it runs to 60, you think you'd be out? Smile away, right? If you think, right? Why'd you get killed on that short and gold? I didn't call it short and gold, Dave. Why are you doing that? God damn it. Look at this gold. This silver just dropped 17 cents like water. Damn it. Oh my God. Dave, I don't know what you're doing there. Dave. Barn Chimps, if you're new, please text me. Wow. Dave, if you're short, you may get one more push down here, Dave. Silver just dropped 27 cents. Ran from 05. Look at this. Got to be really on. You got to be. Silver just dropped 30 cents. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Dave, I think you'd be okay on this gold short. Are you still short the gold? Silver just dropped 32 cents. Ran 55, dropped 30. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm the silver. Damn it. Now it's really quiet. Yes, and on Tradeovate. Pro Trader, good job, Pro Trader. I'm telling you, this silver is amazing. All right. Let's see if we get this push up here. S&P's one more push up here. Let's see what gold. All right, we have about 22 minutes here. We have about 22 minutes here. Jesus. Oh, brother. My number is 914-500-7484. Again, 914-500-7484 if you want access to the 5-day free trial. All right. If the silver can get one more push up. There goes the S&P's up 3. That's why I told you the Nasdaq's going to get one more push up here before it rolls over. Come on, silver. Drop. Okay, silver. I'd short some silver here. 64 up to 94 silver. Oh, the silver's got to be shorted. Why you wanted to buy this pull back down to 05. The short we got, and then I remember I was looking for the long on the pullback here. S&P's just ran 2. Here we go. Here we go. All right, Dave, don't look back. Let's trade it. Let's go. I don't know what you did. Why'd you ask me? Why'd you just ask me, David? I can't give investment advice, but you can ask me and I'll tell you what I see. Silver, look to cover silver 55 to 65 range if you're short. Just scalp it. I find the futures is the best prop firm. All right, Dave, don't harp on it. Let's go already. All right, 9 minutes. We're going to do the raffles. You want to short the gold, 98.5 to 03.5 range on the gold. I would look to short it there. NASDAQ on the little S&Ps just ran 2. NASDAQ just ran from 81 to like 90. Good job, Luru. What on the long on the silver? Oh, this silver, what a shame. I told you silver's got a buy divergence here. MACD positive oversold. No, Dave's good. Dave's good. Dave's good. 46.20 on gold. Who did that? 5,000 on silver. That's amazing. Who did the? If you're short the gold, lower your stops. Dave, get back in there, David. David. Who did 5,000? Oh, congrats, Denny. Good job. Yeah, it's Denny, right? Hope it's Denny. Dave, you re-short the gold? David? Silver's dropping. Silver. Gold dropped. Wow, 5,000 on silver. Great job. You look to re-short the silver again here. If you scalped at 80 up to 10, 84.80 up to 85.10. Oh, brother. Wow, great job, Jennifer. Jesus, Jennifer. Good Lord. Jennifer, you're going to come work for me, Jennifer. Enough is enough. All right, silver reversed to buy in the 15. I would look to buy the next pullback on the 15 here. Okay, now, the SLVs, the silver, okay, silver, no, the silver giveaways are in 3 minutes here. Okay, Jennifer, great job, Jennifer. Oops. Wow, silver just blew through. If you got stopped, I'd short it again here. 10 up to 15 up to 20 up to 50 on the silver. Oh, wow. That silver just exploded. Gotta make up here. The silver should drop here. See if we can get a cover anywhere between the 05 and 20 range on silver. Make silver great again. Make silver trading great again. I love it. I love it. Great job, Jennifer. Jennifer, great job. Okay. Let's see if this silver can drop. All right, we're going to do the raffle in about actually 1 minute. Please, please. I forgot my reading glasses in the car, so please. All right. The silver should drop. Look to cover even to 20 on the silver. 05 to 20. You got the reading glasses up? Okay. Come on, drop silver. Gold, look to cover gold here if you're short. 98 to even on the gold. Dave, get in there. These are the patterns I was asking about before when the buying pressure goes off the chart. We're buying pressure. There's no buying pressure. There's no buying pressure, Dave. Damn it, this was the buy right here on the silver, right here, 84.05. Jesus, ran $1. I told you on any push down here on silver, like this Nasdaq's going to get kabooshed. All right, ready for the raffles? We got 10. You guys ready? 10. Okay? All right, let's do the raffles. Oh my God, it's going to be... Jennifer, I might need your help here, Jennifer. Can we make the raffle bigger in size? I can't read that at all. Absolutely, I cannot. I can't read it. It's all scrambled. I can't read it. I can't read it. What's it called?
Cindy Schroeder.
You can see that?
Yes.
Look at mine. You can. I can't read that.
Yeah, no.
I can't read that. Cindy Schroeder. Congratulations, Cindy Schroeder. Okay, Cindy Schroeder here. Okay. Leonardo, that's you? That's Cindy Schroeder? Is Cindy here? Not here. Okay, next. Not here. Come on, drop silver. You could read it to me because I can't see mine. Look at mine. I can't.
There's a daylight.
You see yours? How come he can see it and I can't? Lucifer. 2912. Lucifer. Anybody? Lucifer 2112? 2912? Gotta buy the next pullback on silver when it drops here. You got him? All right. Congratulations to Lucifer. Next. I can't read them. Look,
Look at the way.
Aaron, if you can help me, I can't read these at all.
Quentin
Quentin Dixon?
Dixon.
Dixon? Lucifer's here? I got Lucifer. Cover the gold anywhere between the 98 and 01.5 range. Was that person here? Quentin Dixon? Is he here?
Yeah, he's there.
2. Jeez, I can't. What is it?
Shankar.
Shankar? Shankar? Shankar here? Okay, he's here. That's 3. Cliff Daniel?
Mm-hmm.
Cliff Daniel. He's here too? That's 4. Aaron, is there a way we can make the wheel? I can't see not one letter in the alphabet. I don't know why the guys here can see, but I can't see it. Come on, die silver. Can you read that? Can you read
Gary BB.
Gary BB?
The Gary BB.
The Gary BB. Can you see that?
No.
You can't read that. There's no way anybody can read that. Mr. Freeze, I hope you're short the NASDAQ here. Gary BB?
He's there.
All right, I know. That's 5. The verdict? What is that? What is it?
The View.
The View 07. The View 07. Silver's going to drop here. Lower your stops on the look to cover like 10 to 26 range on the silver. He's here. That's 6. Good. How about those canes, Jay Stoats? Strength? What? Strong Hill. Hills. How'd you lose $2,300, Jose Trades?
He's here.
Congratulations. Silver dropping. Gold should drop. Lewis, NCZE. Lewis? Oh my God almighty. He's here too? Wow, they're fast. Jose Trades, text me 914-500-7484, please. Jose Trades. Let's see here. Start 13.
Coming out.
Chris 415 Alpha A. Chris, you here? How many is that left? 8? I don't know if we got 2 more. Are you there? I don't think that one worked.
Okay.
What's it called?
Ian,
ENQ
URQ.
UR
Yeah.
Ian EURQ Heart 2297. Thank you. I don't see it.
He's there.
Here. I think that's 10. Is that not 10? Is that 10?
Yes.
All right. This gold's going to drop here. Silver's going to drop. When silver drops here, but the 15 reversing to buy here, you could take the long here. I would look to take the long. Congratulations to all the winners. My phone blew up for so many people that wants the 5-day free trial. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Dave, for helping me. Thank you. You have to see what I can't read one letter in the alphabet here. Come on, silver, drop 10 cents. Thank you, Jennifer. I couldn't, Jennifer, if you saw what it looked like Mandarin Chinese. I got to talk to Aaron about that. Come on, silver. Come on, gold. Hey, Lucifer finally won. Congratulations. Jose Trades, please text me. What's that? I am gonna trade. Please text me 914-500-7484. Use win. It's not a question of zooming in. I can't read it. It's all silver 4. Okay. I don't know. Well, that was the fastest 2 hours I can remember. Jay Birds, thank you. We got to figure this out because I can't read. That's worse. That's the worst I've ever seen it. Now, you want to see this silver drop here, okay? The problem with silver right now is even if it rolls over, and it should, look at the 30-minute time frames getting overbought. The 60s right now are in sell mode. This is a monster bear flag setting up here on silver. So I think you got one more push down on silver. You take the long, and then any push-up's going to make a lower high, and then eventually the 15 and the 30s are going to roll over. Good night, Jeff. All right, it's 10 o'clock. I want to say thank you to my funded futures. Thank you for everybody for being here tonight. I'll be here tomorrow night at 8 to 10. Please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, on my SK Trading YouTube. I want to say have a great night. Remember, CPI at 8:30 tomorrow. God bless you. Be safe. Get a good night's sleep. And remember, as always, God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.